Today we have a 1999 Daewoo Puma 200LMSA. Machine has live tooling on the turret. It's got a subspindle. We have collet chucks on the main and the sub. It's got a parts catcher, parts conveyor. It has a chip conveyor and Barfeed interface. The spindle is currently running at 1,000 RPM. That's the main spindle. That's 2,000 RPM. $2,500. The max RPM is 6,000. Now we'll do the subspindle. That's 500. $1,500 on the sub. That's $2,500 as well. Z-axis sounds good. So does X. B. Now we're going to run the live tool. We have two live tools with the machine. They're currently mounted on the turret. Machine comes with all the tool holders that are on the turret. 500 RPM on the live tool. It's 1,000. $1,500. All right. We're going to do C-axis. All right. Thank you for watching our video. This machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse.